Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with Scrub and Bubbles, the bathroom grime fighter. Not only does it work in the bathroom, I find that I had a patch of dirt where plants had been sitting for like too long. And I use this to spray. I spray it, let it soak on there, and then I wipe it down, and I find it works miracles. So whether you're using it in the bathroom, you have a spot, I use it in the kitchen. If there's a spot that just grime, oil, dirt, it really picks it up. I am surprised that this product works as well as it does. I find that it works better than a lot of things. So I'll even use this on in the bathroom, the glass shower doors, no streaks. I use it on the porcelain sink, the porcelain toilet, the tile ceramic floor. I use it. This is a wonder thing that I have used for the past 2 months and will continue to use for quite some time because I find that it gives you the results that you need. And it has this like citrusy smell that is actually not so bad. It's not overpowering, not chemically, and I think it's something that you should definitely have in your cleaning toolkit.